Hello everyone, welcome to my course Learning of Python Programming. In previous lessons, we had talked about if-else control statement. In this lesson, we will discuss break, continue and else clauses or loop. Okay, so let's start. In Python, break and continue statement can alter the flow of execution of a normal loop. Loops iterate over a block of code until test expression is false. But sometimes we wish to terminate the current iterations or even the whole loop without checking test expressions. The break and continue statement are used in these cases. So let's take a look and see how the break and continue looks like. For instance, let's take example. The break statement, like other programming languages, do the same work in Python. It breaks out of the innermost enclosing for or while loops. This example is for checking whether a number is prime or not. In these examples, we saw that if any numbers which is not prime breaks out from inner for loop using break, and you would have noticed that the else clauses belongs to the for loop, not the else statement. And yes, the code is correct. Else clause is used with loop and exception handling also along with if statement, but it is executed when the loop terminates through exhaustion of the list with for loop, or when the conditions becomes false with while loop, but not when the loop is terminated by break statement. This is pretty cool things in Python, that you didn't write extra code to check if number is prime. So now let's jump to continue. The continue statement continues with the next iterations of the loop if the given conditions is true. For example, in this example, you've seen that if the number is even, the remaining parts of the code inside loop didn't executed. Loop moves to the next iterations, and if conditions of even numbers didn't match, it executed the rest of the code of the loop. So in these types of situations, continue is more helpful and save lots of time. I hope you have understood the concept of break and continue. So that's for today. Let's see you in the next video. In next video, this is most important concept